Hi everyone, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy. I believe it's the little moments and thoughtful gifts that make Christmas special. Today I'm sharing some budget-friendly DIY gifts that will help you make magical memories with the people you love. First up is a way to make a Christmas movie night a little more fun. Inexpensive, cozy Christmas movie night kits. I started by grabbing these wood round ornaments from my local dollarama, and I made some decals using my Cricut. The decals say Cozy Christmas Movie Night Kits, and I applied them using transfer tape. Next, I cut a piece of festive red and white twine, folded it in half, pushed the loop through the hole, inserted the ends through the loop, and pulled it tight. To finish, I added 3 beads and secured them in place with a knot. That's it. You can add this tag to a bag filled with all your favorite treats. Here's what I put in mine: a mini bag of popcorn, a package of hot chocolate, 3 Grinch chocolate kisses, a package of cookies, some peppermints, and a bell ornament. As you can see, I designed a little insert that details the contents of the kit, and you can download it for free on my blog. I'll leave a link in the description box below. I absolutely love these little kits as they are, but you could also add cozy socks, gift cards, or new PJs. They are perfect for a fun night at home or a party favor for a movie night with family and friends. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this little gift? Next up is a little bag of simmer pot ingredients. I sell them in my shop, but you can also make them at home. I fill mine with dried oranges, dried cranberries, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and a sprig from a spruce tree. I design a tag with the instructions and safety warning for using the ingredients, and you can download it for free on my blog. I'll leave a link in the description box below. You are going to love these. They make your house smell like Christmas. Next, I have a simple treat to share with kids. It's a Christmas Eve kit. You can add anything you like, but in mine I included a Polar Express sticker, a magic Santa key, a bell from Santa's sleigh, and a vial of magic reindeer food to sprinkle on the lawn. I purchased these cute little vials at my local dollarama, and I think this kit is super cute. When I was shopping at Dollarama last week, I found these really nice white boxes, and I knew they'd be a perfect canvas for a Cricut decal. I decided to turn them into Christmas Eve boxes for my boys. I used Cricut Design Space to personalize the decals. I printed them and I applied them to the box with transfer tape. I love how they turned out. You can fill them with whatever you like, but in my house, Christmas Eve PJs are a must. You can also include the items we made today, the Christmas Eve kit, the cozy movie night kit, and the bag of simmer pot ingredients. I hope this video brought a little magic to your holiday. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. I have a lot of fun, budget-friendly Christmas content planned, and I wouldn't want you to miss out.